work out for your face. The large side is perfectly designed for the contour of the face and it always works in the upward and outward motion. For narrow going to go from the chin to the base of the ear to the outer part and then now base of the ear and then base of the nose to the ear. The smaller edge is going to be perfect for the contours of ordinal bumps and it works from the corner of the eye upward and outward. Under forehead, we're going to work starting in between brows working to the corner of the eye. With the large end, you're going to work upwards towards the hairline across the forehead 3 to 6 times. Once you completed the entire process of one side of the face, move on the other side of the face and repeat the entire process once more. For this amazing workout for your face, the details and links are given in the description to purchase. So don't forget to subscribe my channel.